Electric vehicles have been taking the auto industry by storm, and few have captured the imagination quite like the Volkswagen ID Buzz. With its retro styling, spacious interior, and promise of eco-friendly driving, it's a head-turner that blends nostalgia with modern tech. But behind the sleek design and futuristic appeal, what does it actually cost to own one of these EVs? Today we're uncovering the surprising costs, both expected and unexpected, of owning a Volkswagen ID Buzz, so you can decide whether this electric icon fits your lifestyle and your budget. Let's start with the most obvious, the purchase price. The Volkswagen ID Buzz is not a budget vehicle. Depending on the trim level and country, prices typically start around $55,000 and can go well beyond $65,000 when fully equipped. That places it squarely in premium territory, especially when compared to other electric vans or crossovers. Now let's talk about charging. Charging at home is generally cheaper than fueling a gas-powered vehicle. On average, it costs around $10 to $15 to fully charge the ID Buzz at home, depending on your electricity rates. However, if you rely on public fast chargers, those costs can jump significantly. DC fast charging can cost $25 or more per session, which adds up quickly if you're a frequent traveler. Next, there's insurance. Electric vehicles tend to be more expensive to insure due to their high repair costs and complex components. The ID Buzz, being a new and relatively rare vehicle, often falls into a higher insurance bracket. Expect to pay more than you would for a traditional minivan or crossover, anywhere from 15% to 30% more, depending on your location and driving history. Let's not forget about maintenance. While EVs generally require less maintenance, there's no oil to change or engine components to service, they're not maintenance-free. The ID Buzz still needs tire rotations, brake checks, coolant top-ups, and software updates. Specialized parts and limited service networks can make repairs more costly and time-consuming compared to more established brands. Depreciation is another factor. Electric vehicles tend to depreciate faster than internal combustion cars, especially in the early years. As more EVs enter the market and battery technology advances, today's cutting-edge features can become outdated quickly. The ID Buzz is certainly unique, which may help its resale value, but it still faces the same depreciation curve as other EVs. Charging infrastructure is also a hidden cost. If you're installing a level 2 home charger, you may face an upfront cost of $1,000 to $2,000, including equipment and installation. And if your electrical panel needs upgrading, that cost could rise substantially. Public charging also adds time to trips, which is a cost often overlooked. Finally, consider government incentives or lack thereof. Depending on where you live, you may qualify for tax credits or rebates, but in some regions, those incentives have expired or do not apply to higher-priced EVs. Always check current policies before making your decision. Owning a Volkswagen ID Buzz is a statement, no doubt, but like all things, that statement comes with a price. Understanding the real costs beyond the sticker price helps you make smarter, more informed decisions about your next vehicle. If you found this breakdown helpful and want more insights on electric vehicles, smart car ownership, and future mobility, make sure to subscribe to our channel. New videos drop every week, and we've got a lot more in store.